Good morning. Here we are at stop number 1, called Cherokee Baths. On Google Maps it's called Bathtub Rocks. It's the low water crossing where Cedar Creek crosses the road. Exposures here are scenic potholes cut into the Ordovician virgin sandstone, the oldest formation to be seen on this geological trip. The virgin sandstone marks the beginning of a major marine transgression that reached this area in the mid-Ordovician. It represents the base of what geologists call the Tippecanoe sequence. Here, the sandstone is a snow-white, nearly 99+% pure quartz sandstone. It is well sorted, and the sand grains are often frosted. Sandstones such as this that mark the base of the Tippecanoe sequence are often referred to collectively as the St. Peter Sandstone and are mined in Missouri and other states for making glass. The depositional environment of the virgin sandstone is primarily that of a transgressing beach deposit and includes dune, beach, and landshore bar components. Because it was deposited on an erosional surface formed during the marine regression that marks the top of the previous sequence, its thickness is variable. Drilling not far from this exposure penetrated nearly 120 feet of virgin, the base of which was marked by a conglomerate composed of dolomite pebbles from the underlying Cotter dolomite. The potholes cut into the surface at this stop will make this a popular place for local children to play. If you look carefully, you will note the chert fragments and cobbles in the bottom of each pothole. The source of the chert is the Reed Springs Formation exposed higher up on the tree-covered valley wall behind you. During high flow in Cedar Creek, these chert fragments are spun in turbulent eddies in these pools, acting as tools that cut the potholes deeper. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but this rock has a lot of sparkle in it. Probably has to do with the quartz. And if you look at some of the edges, you see these little black creatures, and I would guess those are little bitty tadpoles. These waters are great nurseries for these little guys. There's some more rocks in the bottom of these potholes. Got some nice flow going today. Today is April the 10th on a Friday, and this is stop 1 of a geological field trip that began at Camp Egan, east of Tahlequah, Oklahoma.